Welcome to Infosys Springboard, your gateway to continuous learning and professional growth. Begin your Springboard journey by accessing the platform. Locate the official login page, often through your company's internal resources or a simple web search. Enter your username or employee ID accurately in the designated field. Double-check for any errors. This is usually the same ID you use for other Infosys systems. Now, carefully enter your password. Ensure you are using the correct case, and be cautious when entering the password. The system likely masks your password for security. Once both username and password are entered, click the login button. The website will then verify your credentials. Upon successful login, you'll land on the Springboard dashboard. Explore the various courses, learning paths, and resources available to you. Use the search bar to find specific training modules and areas that suit your professional development goals. Discover available courses to facilitate your skill and knowledge enhancement. Don't forget to log out securely when you're finished. To protect your account, use the logout or sign out option. Happy learning!